Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Jen and Crystal here. Today
we're gonna make a mango and pomegranate salad today. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use the mason jars that we had from last time too, because we kind of had shared that with you guys about glass jars, reusing and not using plastic. So, all right, so we're gonna start with the ingredients. We're gonna use 1 large mason jar, a drizzle of olive oil, 10 ounces of fresh baby spinach leaves, 10 ounces of arugula leaves, 1 ounce of canned, we're gonna go ahead and use the mandarin oranges, and we drain those. We're also gonna use lemon, red onion, thinly sliced, 8 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds, and some salt and pepper. So we're gonna start with that. You guys, so we have our mason jars. I wanted to say we're so excited to be back. We had so much fun doing this last time, so we've been waiting, and here's our day to go for it again. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our drizzle of olive oil, which you guys should have had from before from our other recipes that we did. Don't have to rebuy that again. So let's do 1 tablespoon of that in the bottom. This is gonna be our dressing. And if you wanna pick a different dressing, then pick a different dressing, because we've talked about that before too, right? It doesn't matter. I think the most important thing is being mindful about what we're eating and how we're eating. Okay, so we got that. And then now let's take our lemon. And we're gonna do a little bit of lemon juice. And you can do this in another, like say you're gonna make a few of them, so we could put them in there. Strain it that way. It's a lot of lemon juice just for a half of a lemon, so it depends on how much you want. So we'll sprinkle a little bit in there. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna top that with the onions, because remember when we talked about in the jars, we want the things that will absorb some of the flavors first, like, or the moisture and stuff. You don't really want to put your lettuce on top of things because it could make your lettuce go soggy. All right, so we got that in there. And then we're gonna put our mandarin oranges. And look how good these look. Doesn't that look delicious? And this already smells good just with that lemon and the olive oil and the onions in there. So I don't know, I might put, however many you want in there. So in the bottom. And then, let's see. Then we're gonna take our spinach, we're gonna take our lettuce. Now we just got it mixed. So this is arugula and the spinach mixed together. You can buy it separate if you want, or maybe you don't like the arugula, so maybe you don't want that. So maybe you just want spinach. Again, this is just an idea. So we're gonna take that, put our lettuce. Oh, that already looks so good. Okay, so we got our lettuce, and then we're gonna sprinkle with our pomegranate seeds. Look at that, look how pretty that looks in there, right? Let me get those around. Okay, so what I did do also, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the cracked pepper, get that in there. Perfect, put however much you want. I do a little bit of salt too. Here's the Himalayan, they say this salt's really good. A little bit of that in there. And then what I did too is I also put out some feta cheese and blue cheese, or if you want it, you don't have to have that in there at all, but maybe one time taste it without, but then you might want to go ahead and put some in there. So I don't know, and especially like for the look, like if you're serving these maybe for a luncheon or something, I think the white, and then you've got the mandarins. Does that look good? And we also have balsamic, and I know sometimes, I love balsamic. We talked about. All right, and that's it. There you go. You got lunch. Go have lunch, shake it up. Should we have Crystal try it?
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try it with a little bit of the balsamic in there. Remember, a little goes a long ways. So let's give it a stir. Okay. Let's try it now. Mm-hmm. So that's the end of our cooking demo. I hope you guys like and enjoy. If you guys do try it, please comment below and let us know if you liked it or how it tasted. And please like, comment, and share, and also turn on your like notifications so that way you guys can see our upcoming videos for next month. We will be posting monthly our Diabetic Sharing Circle demos. Jen has a couple words for you guys.
And so we might stick a couple other things in between, some surprise videos in regards to healthy behaviors and mindful eating, drinking, that kind of stuff. But in the meantime, I wanted to tell you guys, last month I didn't do this, but I did this month. So we have the estimated cost per serving was $3.90, not including the cost for olive oil, ground pepper, and a mason jar, because actually we already had those from last time. And then also we have, I put on here on our newsletter, is that you might have friends and family that also have lemon trees or the pomegranates, or the seeds can be a little bit expensive. I think in here, I went ahead and put the cost of all that in here. But anyway, but check and see. You might even have a neighbor. So we're so happy that we're able to do this for you guys. We miss everyone. But in the meantime, let's just keep doing this and finding ways to eat healthy and mindfully. Have a great day.
Thank you guys. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The last thing would be cracked pepper, and we don't have that, so.
So I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the balsamic, a little bit of the balsamic on there, of the Rachel Ray, not too much because this goes a long ways.